Abantu bami ndupiyamone. Piyamone laende. Unko kwa kwamboka Simba. Omorugio Simba Arati. I've come here to say pole to the family of Lydia. Lydia and XFM at night is like a family of Governor Simba Arati.
Lydia amone family ya egesa lat nigobanga abenka yomo Governor Simba Arati.
Governor is going for a funeral for his auntie.
Governor nigagenda matanga anyina moke.
We were at Mosocho. He called me and told me, make sure you attend that funeral. Lydia once more, pole for losing her mom. Losing a loved one is the most hardest moment in life. But may God give you comfort. I have a donation of governor for the family of Lydia. But before that, the MC here. This is the second funeral I've attended when he's the MC. The first one was at Masige. That time, the board had not come into place. He first asked to promise we are going to employ someone. Today, he has done it again. But it's good, today the board is there. But I want to plead with the media team. I've seen Kiss FM, Getembe Nomora, Exite here. Any information you are giving to the public, it should be having the truth of the information. There are information which is not good for conception. Like the information of sending me back to China. The only person who has the power to send me back to China is the government. But those ones who want to come and become the second wife or a third wife, come, I welcome you. You don't need to remove me before you come. Because I have to be the one who is welcoming you. But today the people have come to give condolences. I've just made a nice joke. But it's good those people that are going to take back the messages to the governor. As long as it benefits the people of Kisii County. I'm sure the governor will be happy to do what is required for him to do. And all people of Kisii here also receive the greetings from the Governor Simba. And I'm sure he will come and say hi to you before the Christmas ends. I have 40 sound here. Thank you for the family. 10 sound for Amachu.
Thank you and God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much, First Lady. Thank you so much, and pass our regards